Relationships can be challenging. They're almost always challenging. So with the muscle testing, we can find out what we don't accept about our partner or about our relationship, or what is challenging for us. So one of the ways we can do it is with muscle testing. We can find out what's true and what's not true about it. So we want to see, am I at peace with everything about my partner? For me, it tests strong because I've cleared myself on all the different issues, but you can check to see, am I at peace with how she talks? Am I at peace with how her mind works? Am I at peace with her belief systems? I'm at peace with the way she looks. I'm at peace with the way she treats other people. I'm at peace with her income and her job and all those sorts of things. I'm at peace with her goals, okay? So you can figure out what you might have an issue with your partner about. At peace, another way to say it is, I'm at ease with. So the whole point is just to have no issues. So it's about just being clear so you're not in a state of stress or distress about any aspect of your partner. And if that's the case, it's just going to flow. You'll be like best friends and it'll just feel easy. And so with the Whitten Method, you can check and figure out, what aspects of your partner that you have judgment about or you have some issue with. There might be some way that she talks or some way that she acts that reminds you of somebody from the past that maybe you're not clear about. And then with the Whitten Method, I teach techniques through my Zoom course or the Whitten Method Basic Series on how to clear that. Because if you can't be clear, if you can't be at ease with your partner, it's going to be a fight. It's going to be a misery. There's going to be all kinds of stress. So you have three choices. You can either try to change your partner, which, as we all know, doesn't work very well. We can leave them, which kind of sucks, especially if, you have a good relationship on many levels. Or you can learn to accept them, just the way they are, and hopefully they'll accept you just the way you are. So with muscle testing, we can get really clear on what those issues are, and through the techniques I've spent my lifetime developing, I can show you how to clear that at a deep level and have a beautiful relationship. Visit my website, whittenmethod.com, and you can find out about the Zoom course and the Whitten Method Basic Series.